December 8th, 2020 review. Convert 83 pounds to ounces. All right, so the first part, what we're going to do, 83 pounds. So that's what we're starting with. Easy peasy, 83. Now, you can also see pounds written as LBS. So they kind of have that like pounds with a silent. So that's also how you can see pounds. Remember, we can turn that into a fraction by simply putting it over 1. Now, we're trying to convert it to ounces. So we're trying to get to ounces. Now, ounces is a little bit tricky too. It can be labeled as OZ for ounces. And then we're trying to get rid of pounds. So we're trying to get rid of pounds. So I'll put that pounds at the bottom. So now we're going to take a look between pounds and ounces. So pounds and ounces up here. Let's see. Do we have any pounds? Ooh, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So I'm going to have 1 pound, or LB, equals 16 ounces, 16 OZ. So now we do get rid of those pounds because the pounds divided by pounds equals 1, remember? Now we have 83 times 16 on the top in our numerator, and then we have 1 times 1 in our denominator. So 1 times 1 in our denominator, that's easy peasy, we get 1. Now let's do some multiplication here. 83 times 16. 83 times 16. Let's multiply. All right, so 6 times 3 is going to be 18. I'm going to carry that 1, drop that 8. 6 times 8 is going to be that 48. And then we're going to add 1, which is going to be 49. So I'm going to, well, I'm not going to carry that 4. I'm going to write that 4. 49. Now I'm done with this remainder here, so I can delete it, or you can cross it off. I'm going to delete it so we don't get confused. We are also done with this 6 because we're moving over a place value, which also means we need to put a placeholder of 0. And I'm going to put this up a little bit because it looks like I did not give myself enough room. All right, so 1 times 3, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, that's 3. 1 times 8 is 8. All right, so then we're going to add them up, add them up. All right, 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry that 1, drop that 2. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus a 1 is 13. Are there any decimals to account for? Nope. So our answer up here, 83 times 16, is 1,328, and we're going to keep that ounces. So OZ for ounces. Now we have 1,328 divided by 1. So it's going to stay the same because anything over 1 or divided by 1 is itself. So 1,328, and we're also going to keep the ounces. Now, our answer, 1,328. And we can put ounces here with the OUNCES. You can do that as well up here. I do not mind. I'm just showing you the different abbreviations, meaning the different ways that you will see it. So that is going to be our answer, and that's it. Great job.